There used to be a clear boundary. When the final bell rang, the school day was over, and classroom social dynamics were left behind. Today, students carry their entire social environment in their pockets. It is a constant, inescapable stream of connection that continues long after they leave the building. This creates a silent vacuum. It is a hidden digital space where cyberbullying, privacy violations, and social pressures play out entirely beyond adult sight. While the inciting incident, a harmful message or an online threat, happens in the digital ether, the emotional damage always lands in the physical world. That real-world impact usually surfaces right at a desk. The physical classroom becomes the primary interception point, where these hidden digital conflicts spill over into plain sight. Educators are the frontline observers. Because they see students every day, they are often the first adults to witness the fallout of an invisible digital threat. Spotting these physical symptoms early is a critical first step. It allows a teacher to address a concern before a quiet online struggle escalates into a serious problem. In the middle of an active, noisy classroom, a sudden behavioral shift stands out to an observant educator. The signs of digital distress are specific. A previously engaged student might suddenly withdraw. Academic performance can drop without a clear cause. Or a student may show uncharacteristic anxiety the moment they check their device. You might also see physical avoidance. A student going out of their way to sit far from specific classmates during a lesson is a strong indicator of an ongoing hidden digital conflict. Identifying these signs is an essential skill, but recognizing a potential threat is different from investigating it. The teacher's role excludes acting as a digital detective. Searching through a student's private messages for proof or making immediate accusations can damage the relationship between student and teacher. Maintaining professional boundaries ensures that the school's official, established protocols for handling digital harm remain effective. This diagram illustrates the systematic framework for responding the moment you detect a behavioral anomaly in the classroom. First, you observe. This involves documenting setting shifts in a student's behavior or social interactions without immediate intervention. Next, you listen. If you speak with the student, providing a private, non-judgmental space allows them to disclose what is happening at their own pace. The third step is to support. This means creating a classroom culture where seeking help for an online threat is a safe, accepted choice. Finally, you report. All documented concerns are forwarded directly to the school's official child protection personnel and administrators. Adhering to this four-step diagnostic pipeline protects the student's well-being while ensuring the teacher stays within their professional scope. When we look past the individual classroom, we can see the broader support architecture of the entire school. The teacher's report triggers a coordinated response from a team of professionals equipped to handle serious digital safety issues. This network map shows how responsibility is shared. A single report activates guidance counselors, ICT teams, school administrators, and the student's family. This distribution of labor moves the burden of the crisis away from the individual educator and places it into a specialized support system. The teacher serves as the catalyst for this entire system, using their unique classroom proximity to activate the school's safety net. When these specialized roles intervene early, it breaks the cycle of escalation, stopping a series of harmful messages from spiraling into a crisis that impacts the whole school. Educators spotting the physical signs of digital distress provide the essential first link in a chain that keeps online threats from disrupting the learning environment.